So myself, Dr. Sheban, MBBS DCH, post-graduated from Madras Medical College. Okay, so we are going to discuss some NEET UG MCQs, and this is our part 84. Okay, my first MCQ is a repeated MCQ last year. Okay, glomus is a fungus. True or false? GLOMUS. Glomus is a fungus. True or false? It is a true statement. Don't forget. Glomus. GLOMUS. Okay. SERES is the word related to what? Match the following. Is the word related to ecological succession. Is the word related to ecological succession. Phytoplankton. Phytoplankton is a primary consumer. True or false? The word primary consumer, primary phytoplankton. Three words are important. Is it a secondary or it is a primary? It is a primary or a secondary? Phytoplankton. Every year there will be one MCQ related to this. The primary producers are grass, trees and phytoplankton. Primary producer, not consumer, producer. Primary producers. So this is a wrong statement. Animals and cattle can maintain a constant. The key word in this is constant is the key word. Animals and cattle can maintain a constant internal environment. It cannot maintain a constant temperature. Dash percentage of animals cannot maintain an internal temperature. Dash percentage. Can you tell me? It is 99%. 99%. Cannot. Conformers evolved to become regulators. True or false? Conformers evolved to become regulators. True or false? It is a no. Heat loss or heat gain? Heat loss or heat gain is a function of what? Heat loss or heat gain is a function of surface area. Shrew or hummingbirds? What is the question? Shrew or hummingbirds? Thermoregulation is expensive, is energetically expensive in small animals. If you know this point, you can answer other MCQs. Small animals. So these two are small. They can keep this as example. They can keep these two as example. Small animals have a large surface area when compared to their volume. True or false? True or false? It is a true statement. It is a true statement. Small animals tend to lose heat very slowly. Small animals tend to lose heat very slowly. It is a false statement. Why small animals? Why? Assertion, reason, MCQ. Why small animals tend to lose heat very fastly? Why? Why? Small animals have large surface area. Small animals have large surface area. Why very small animals are rare in polar regions? Okay. Why small animals are rare in polar regions? Because they tend to lose heat very fast, very fast, very fast, very fast, very fast, very fast. Site of action of Bt toxin of insect. In insect. Very important MCQ. Midgut. Epithelial cell. Okay, no logic business. Midgut is a separate MCQ. Epithelial cell is a separate MCQ. But what is the question? What is the question for midgut? Whenever you see the word midgut, this is the answer. Okay. Midgut. Calcium is a monovalent anion. True or false? Calcium is a monovalent anion. Calcium is a divalent cation. Fitness is related to whom? What is the name? Is related to whom? Fitness. Darwinian fitness. Match the following. Darwinian fitness. Darwinian fitness means what? Darwinian fitness means high or value. Darwinian fitness means wings of butterfly and birds exhibit homology. Wings of butterfly and birds exhibit homology. True or false? They exhibit analogy. Or which of the following is an example of analogy? That time you must answer butterfly and bird's wing. What did Sanger found? Sanger. Determination of amino acid sequence in protein. Sanger. Determination of amino acid. Quinine extracted from. Quinine. Quinine is a important medicine. Quinine. It is extracted from, or it is a drug. Drug. Quinine is extracted from plants. Quinine. The word prudent refers to what? Prudent. Prudent. The word prudent refers to predation. The word prudent refers to predation. What is striga? Striga. Any idea? Striga. It is a parasitic species of fruit. Striga. Parasitic species of fruit. Seeds without fertilization. Seeds without fertilization is called parthenocarpy. I think you know this better than me. Seeds without fertilization is parthenocarpy is a wrong statement. It's a wrong statement. Fruit without fertilization is called parthenocarpy. Be very, very careful. This is the correct statement. Fruit. So what I have given here? Seed. Be very careful. Example of apomixis. Apomixis. Any idea? Example of apomixis. Seed without fertilization is called, come on. Seed without fertilization is called. This is the power of my video. Apomixis. Seed without fertilization. Apomixis is asexual. True or false? Depth. Apomixis is asexual is a true statement. Example of polyembryony. There are so many examples. Can you tell me 2 examples? Polyembryony. Citrus and mango. Mango you will not think. It is given in your textbook. Polyembryony. Polyembryony means true or false? Polyembryony. Polyembryony. This is the correct statement. What is this? It's a wrong statement. This is a correct statement. Can you tell me an answer for the advantage? Advantage. Apomixis has many advantages in horticulture and agriculture. Apomixis. Why does botulinum toxin does not kill? Why does assertion reason? Why does botulinum BT, Bacillus thuringiensis, Bacillus BT toxin do not kill? Why? Because it is found as inactive protoxin. Found as inactive protoxin. What makes BT toxin inactive BT to active? What makes? Alkaline pH of gut of Bacillus Tito Jesus. Dash cells in midgut is affected by toxin. Dash cells in midgut. Epithelial cells. Epithelial cells. Mid 19th century. What did they found? They found inheritance. Next. Garden pea is studied by whom? Garden pea is studied by Gregor Mendel studied garden pea. 1956 to 63. What is the point? Question. Garden pea experiment by Gregor Mendel was happened within this period. Garden pea experiment of Gregor Mendel happened in law of inheritance. Who has found this law of inheritance? This law of inheritance was studied by Gregor Mendel. Gregor Mendel did dash experiment in garden pea. Gregor Mendel did dash experiment in garden pea. He did the hybridization. 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 What is 14? 14. Number of breeding peas selected by Gregor Mendel. Number of breeding peas selected by Gregor Mendel was 14. Mendel conducted dash experiment in pea. What experiment he did? He did cross pollination, otherwise called artificial pollination procedure in a green pea. Cow is a primary producer. True or false? Cow is a primary producer. Any idea? Cow. The primary consumers are Can you tell me this? We discussed in the beginning. Fight or plank the primary consumer. True or false? Huh? You forgot. Every year there will be one MCQ. Primary producer, primary consumer, primary producer, primary consumer. So nobody can teach you like this. Yes? Good. Populations evolve maximum. Populations evolve maximum. Populations evolve to maximize their what? To maximize their reproductive fitness. Maximize their reproductive fitness. Breed only once in their lifetime. Once in their lifetime. I think it's very new for you, this MCQ. They breed only once in their lifetime. The bamboo and the Pacific salmon fish. The bamboo and the Pacific salmon fish bred only once in their lifetime. Produce large number of small sized offspring. Large number of small sized offspring. Small sized offspring, large number. %% of base sequence in humans are the same. 70% of base sequence in humans are the same. True or false? 70% are same. The correct answer is 99.9%. I am expecting the same MCQ next year for you. What is the question? You forgot the question. Question is very important while preparing NEET, not 99.9%. Mini is a type of Mini. Who is Mini? Mini is a type of satellite DNA. Mini is a type of satellite DNA. Micro is a type of, what is micro? Micro is a type of satellite DNA. Both are same. Okay. So whenever they ask, Mini is a type of, that time you must answer satellite DNA. Whenever they ask, micro is a type of, that time also you must answer satellite DNA. Okay. Watson-Crick model for what? Watson-Crick model for what? Watson-Crick model is for what? Semi-conservative DNA replication. Semi-conservative DNA replication. Watson and Crick. 4 criteria a molecule can act. 4 criteria for a molecule to act as a potent genetic material. Any idea? These are all rank deciding MCQs. Not everybody can answer this. Only people who are hearing such top videos will answer. They should be stable. They should be replicable. Replication should happen. And another two you can read. These are the 4 criteria. For criteria. Polymerization reaction. Any idea? Polymerization reaction. Any idea? They will ask DNA dependent DNA polymerase catalyzes what reaction? That time you must answer polymerization of nucleotide. Tide, not side, tide. You must answer this. Okay. Enzymes are catalyst. True or false? Enzymes are catalyst. True or false? It is a true statement. Can you answer this? Can you answer this? Huh? Can you answer this? You forgot. That's why I am telling you. There is a very proven method called 7 days continuous recall. If you hear this video for 7 days continuous, you will remember all the 100 MCQs for 1 year. It's a proven technique. If you don't hear this video tomorrow, you will not remember even a mustard. You are wasting your time. It's a proven method. You practice in all my videos whenever you see. Okay. Share this great video with your friends and juniors and write some good comments also in the comment section. Okay. So tell me the answer. Just now we studied, we forgot. Breed only once in their lifetime. Breed only once in their lifetime. Breed only once in their lifetime. So stay tuned with Dr. Shiban. Hear my further videos also. Okay, stay tuned.